In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IC Markets. First, understand what IC Markets actually is. It's a broker, not a standalone trading app. You connect to it through trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or cTrader. These platforms are where you view charts, open and manage trades, and keep track of your account. Think of IC Markets as the bridge to the market and the platform as your steering wheel and dashboard. Once your account is created, open your chosen platform and log in with the credentials and server details provided to you after sign-up. Make sure you enter the exact server name shown in your welcome message so you connect to the right account type. If something doesn't load, double-check the server drop-down and your login details. Next, get comfortable with the main parts of the platform. Using cTrader as an example, start with the Market Watch panel. This is the list of tradable assets like major forex pairs, gold, and even cryptocurrencies. Click an instrument to bring up its chart. On the chart, you'll see price movement over time, and you can zoom in or out, change time frames, and add indicators such as RSI or moving average to help guide your decisions. Then, look at the Trade or Positions tab. This is your command center for open trades, current profit or loss, balance, and equity. When you're ready to place a trade, select an asset like EURUSD and choose New Order. Set your lot size, which is the trade size and directly affects your risk. Add a stop loss to limit potential loss and a take profit to automatically capture gains at your target. Choose buy if you expect price to rise or sell if you expect it to fall. After you confirm, the position goes live and appears in your trade tab. Keep an eye on your trades in real time. You can modify stop loss and take profit levels as the market moves, or close the trade whenever you choose. Platforms like MT5 and cTrader make adjustments quick with built-in tools and one-click options. To move money, head to the IC Markets client area on the web. For deposits, select Deposit and choose from bank transfer, card, or supported e-wallets. For withdrawals, go to Withdraw, pick your method, and submit the request. Multiple funding options provide flexibility. You can trade forex, gold, and other commodities, crypto, and indices all from the same platform. Always prioritize risk management. IC Markets offers leverage, which amplifies both gains and losses. Use a stop loss on every trade, start small, such as 0.01 lots if you're new, and never risk funds you can't afford to lose.